Ever wondered if you absolutely need a credit card attached to your PayPal account just to get paid? Let's clear out that confusion right now. The short answer is no, you do not always need to link a credit or debit card to receive money on PayPal. PayPal offers a few different ways to receive funds. The most common method is, of course, having a linked payment method. However, this doesn't have to be a card. You can link your bank account to your PayPal account. Instead, this allows you to transfer money directly from your bank account to cover any payments you might make, and it also enables you to receive funds without needing a card. Now, here's another key point. If the person sending you money sends it directly to your PayPal account, the funds will land in your PayPal balance. You can then choose to keep the money within your PayPal balance to use for online purchases, or you can transfer it to your linked bank account, even if you don't have a card linked. So, while linking a card can be convenient for certain transactions, it's not mandatory for simply receiving money. Explore your options. Linking a bank account or simply using your PayPal balance might be all you need. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more PayPal tips.